Finally, I'm going back to my home. Finally. I just arrived back at my home from a long journey, and it's time to sleep. I'll see you later. What time is it? The thing that I like the most about this condo where I live here is it is very convenient here because there's a supermarket down there and many cafes, and also there's a book cafe that opens 24 hours, which is my favorite, and restaurants, and I think that's about it. But at least you can easily find something to eat. 오늘은 날씨가 너무 좋아서 태닝을 할 수 있을 것 같아요. So now I'm going downstairs to grab a quick breakfast, and still I'm very tired because I have pretty much suffered enough by operating the longest flight that we have. I'm totally beat. This is the downstairs of my condo. There's a Burger King over there. The next to it, they say there's a Korean restaurant, but I've never tried, and a Chinese restaurant, and the cafe is around there. And there's a little piano over there as well. Maybe I can try that next time. And this is the book cafe that opens 24 hours. I usually come down here with my laptop to get the Wi-Fi. And I'm going to a burger shop that newly opened for a present for myself. Okay, this looks good. To be honest about the burger taste that I had, it was not ideally good, but it was not too bad actually. But it could be better. And it can be controversial, but for me, the hamburger should be easy to grab with my two hands and like this. There's a lot of handmade burger shop out there, and for me, they are not easy to eat at all. The shape of the burger will definitely be ruined, and you're gonna have to use fork and knife for your burger. And the moment you start to use fork and knife, I don't think it's a burger anymore. They are more like steak and bread. I really wanted to go out for a sun bath, but it's getting cloudy. No choice. I'm going down to the gym while the washing machine is doing its work. I still have a lot of things to do today, but since they're all like studying and editing stuff, so this is it for today's vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. 피곤한 상태로 운동하니까 진짜 두 발이 너무 무겁네요. 이래서 내가 두 발 자유를 그렇게 원했던